Hello folks, and welcome to Netcruzer Tech. Today I have a new unboxing for you, and it's again from my friends at AUKEY. It's a Bluetooth speaker, portable wireless speaker model SK-M12, and it looks like a dog bone. Actually, it kind of does, but the point of it is that it's very beefy, very robust. So let's take a look at it out of the package, and we'll see just how big it is and what it sounds like. It has a rubberized coating and a metal front grille. And there's the information about how to get a hold of AUKEY. All AUKEY products come with a 2-year limited warranty. Now, the only thing I've done to it so far is I have taken the cellophane off, so it's just should be able to just slide it out of the packaging now. Okay, inside the sleeve is just a plain box. Gonna get that opened up. Speaker. Okay. It has a very rubbery feel to it, which is really nice actually. I think it's going to pick up a lot of dust and hair and dirt and stuff, but it feels really good straight out of the packaging. Metal front grille, front and back, and something that I just noticed right off the bat, it has a tripod jack. How awesome is that? You never see that. A tripod jack on a Bluetooth speaker. That's awesome. Under here is probably the charge port. So this will be splash proof. Oh, this is hard cover to get under. Okay, under the flap we have a USB micro, an audio jack, and this other port is most likely a reset. Yeah, it looks like there's a little button there. So that would be in case your speaker gets totally buggered and unresponsive and you have to reset it. And then this side, again, you know how much I love utility stuff. Well, maybe you don't. Maybe you're new to my channel. I love things that have extra utility. So the fact that it can be hung or put on a tripod, both big wins for me. For buttons, we have volume down, volume up, hands-free calling, power, and M, which is... Oh yeah, because I pressed power, I just turned it on. And we have a Bluetooth light. Under the box, we have all your typical AUKEY stuff. Like most AUKEY things, you get the AUKEY key. This will have additional information about their product warranty and their social medias. 2 cables. We get a standard 1/8" audio jack. We get a micro USB. We get a, oh yeah, we do. It's like a semi-eject tool, but it's the reset. That doesn't really give me a good feeling that it has to have a reset tool. User manual, and what I showed before, the sticker. Take a quick look in the manual because I'm curious on what the mode button does. Let's just see here. I always like to show the actual stats. So it does that. It has a 30-hour, what is that? Standby, no, playtime 30 hours, charge time 6 hours, 33 feet, 2x5 watt speaker, 3.5 millimeter audio jack, DC 5 in, and it has a 2600 milliamp hour 2S LiPo. How to charge it. Playing from aux, playing from mobile phones. Where's the LED status indicator? Pairing modes. How to take a call. And then different languages. All the rest is different languages. So that's curious. Where is the... There's nothing in here about what mode is. Press the phone button once to pause and press again to resume. How to answer a call. And yeah, you know what? This is the first AUKEY product that I've had where I'm not happy with the user manual because it doesn't actually explain all the functions. What do we want to do first? iOS or Android? Let's do iOS. All right, so it should be in the list here to pick up AUKEY M12. And I'm curious to see, now we're automatically paired. And yeah, that's what I was curious to see. Does it, I like it when speakers can do that, where it shows you the charge indicator of the device you're connected to. I'm not an audiophile, but I do know the difference between a good and a bad sounding speaker. Volume down, and as I'm pressing volume down, it's adjusting. Did it? Yeah. Okay, that's a great feature, is that it has synced audio, which is rare. A lot of the time, there are 2 independent volume sources. Every single other Bluetooth speaker I've ever tried had volume on phone is different from volume on speaker. So I like that a lot. I should also test this with Android as well, just to see if that's a similar function on Android. Now, if I press the phone button, the call button.
You know that my heart is true.
It just started playing.
And I never lied to you.
So it's playing reggae. So the phone button is play and pause. And then it's probably press and hold for a call, maybe? Yeah. Press and call. It's press and hold for last call. Which the last thing I called was the power went out.
Welcome to Hydro One's outage line. For English, press 1.
And we'll have to figure out how to do next track. So let me do play. It's probably press and hold.
Now you want it down the rain.
Mode. We're going to try mode button now.
Love is what I need. You should be happy. This is where the moon.
That's an EQ. It's changing the EQ, but that concerns me is that there's no documentation about that, so I have no idea what they are. Or how to get it back to the one that I like. Anyway, I gotta stop that because this is copyright music, right? I gotta get on to some copyright-free music. Last summer. To wait for the bass to drop because it's all treble right now. I don't feel a lot of air coming out of there. I think it just has the two drivers. I don't think it has the sub. It's just the double front speaking because it doesn't have any. Yeah, it sounds nice. It's not very bassy. Oh yeah, definitely different EQ. That's extra treble. All right, let's try Android. I'm gonna set my iPhone aside. Here I have an LG G6. Do facial unlock. Cool, right? Let's go into Bluetooth on this and see, how do I get, this phone is fairly new to me, so I think you press and hold to get into Bluetooth. It can be connected to two Bluetooth devices. Oh, because this is a fairly new modern phone. That's the other thing. How do you get into the pairing mode? If it's already paired to something, there should be a way to eject the pair from the device. Maybe that's why they give you the reset button. Yeah, I think maybe there's a way, but, no, because if I power it off and power it back on, it'll automatically reconnect to my phone. So I'm going to have to go into my iPhone and disconnect this device. Disconnect. All right, disconnected. Now we'll go into here, search for devices, audio device, AUKEY SK-M12, pairing. Okay, so on Android you also get a battery indicator. And if we go into settings, settings, you just get your standard settings. All right, let's go and again play that same song from Android. Does it have synced audio? So we're going to turn that up to max. So on Android, On Android, it has independent audio. Okay. I changed track, so I should be able to press and hold. That just turns up the volume. Oh, now it's kicking. Okay, we're gonna go max volume. That's max on both. All right, so what else is there to say about it? I think that's probably pretty much it. I like the design. I like that it has a tripod jack. I like that you could just hang it up somewhere. You want to take it around. I like that it has the normal aux cable in case you need aux, standard micro USB rechargeable. But I don't like that for the size of it, it doesn't have a lot of bass until you really crank it up to the max. And when I did have it cranked up to the max, one good thing to say is that it doesn't have a lot of distortion, so that was good. If it does have like a bass reflex driver here, I can't see it. I can't see it through. There might be though. Yeah, it looks like there's a slight bass reflex under this grill, but I have another smaller Bluetooth speaker than this that puts out more bass. Even though it's a big speaker, this cannot be used as a battery bank. I like the ones where you also can recharge your phone if you need to. That's a really cool feature that this doesn't have. For being a ruggedized style speaker, I wish that it was more designed for like an on-the-go battery bank too. That would be super cool. The other thing that I don't like is that you cannot switch tracks from the device. And then when you're changing modes or when you get to maximum or minimum volume, the audio cuts out while it plays its tone. Just for comparison's sake, this is probably my most feature-rich Bluetooth speaker. I've never shown it on video, but this is probably the best one that I have that sounds the best, and it's by Tautronics. And this one allows you to have two devices simultaneously connected. It has more bass. AUKEY has many different models of Bluetooth speaker. If this one fits the bill for the things that you want, certainly pick it up. I will put links in the description of where you can get this speaker. All right. Thanks for watching. Hit that like button. Hit that. If you're not a subscriber, please subscribe. We're on our way to 4,000 subs. And when we hit 4,000 subs, I'm going to do a giveaway. And it's going to be of an AUKEY product. So stay tuned for that. Take care. Oh, that's another answer. So I went to go press play. Can't press play when your phone is locked.